Oh boy. Oh boy. Look. Look. Here. You want to taste it?
Yum. She doesn't know she should.
Go ahead. Yummy, yummy. Good girl. She could do like that.
Getting ready to do
Oh boy.
Yummy, Brooklyn.
Yummy, huh? Just playing with it. Getting it in her chair. Wiping it on her chair. Wow! She's sticking her finger in there.
Okay, look at now.
Wanna try it? Wanna try it? Mmm. It's yours. Eat your cupcake. Yeah,
Maybe you
cupcake.
just feed her a little too much, Vanessa.
Cupcake. Want to eat it? Want to take a bite? Take a bite? No? Here. Here, let me help. You want to eat some? Here. Mmm. Look. Look. Want to try it?
She wants that butterfly cake.
She wants the paper that came with it.
Here. You want to try it?
She wants to
Want to try it? Look.
There you go.
Really, girl.
I should just let her have the butterfly cake then.
Busy, busy day.
All
All
done.
done? No. Really? Come on. Eat your cake. Look. No, it's too messy.
What do I do with
Mmm.
She didn't want it at all, does she?
Want to try it some more?
Happy birthday, Brooklyn Avery.
this? Yeah.
Want to try it? I don't even think
Mommy,
she's
don't
trying
make
it.
me eat cake.
No. Oh. Mmm. Look. Look. It's fun. You can make a mess of it.
We'll give her what she wants.
What does she want?
That paper.
The what? Oh, this?
Yeah, that's what she did, Lisa.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe she was reaching for this thing, for the butterfly.
What do you want? This?
Buttered. Yeah, it's buttered.
Oh, look now, she's smiling.
Now she wants to blow it out.
Oh, how cute.
Can you do it?
Oh, yeah.
No. She wants to blow out the candle. But not with the flame on it. Wow! Can you blow it out?
I don't think she wants to put her finger in it.
That's
Look at that.
right. Do it again.
Yeah. Did you blow it out?
Good job, Brooklyn. You can do it.
Put the candle in her cupcake.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Don't
blow
let
out
it
your
touch.
cupcake.
Can you blow it? Don't touch.
Don't touch it.
Hot.
No touch. Ouch. Ouch. Can you blow it?
Blow. Blow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. She just wants to...
Like this, Brooklyn.
Show her how to do it. Yeah, do it inside.
Watch, Brooklyn. Watch Mama.
Yay! She blew it out. She blew it out.
She's gonna, I thought she was gonna sneeze.
Well, this is sad. I shouldn't have fed her so much then, huh? She has not made a mess at all. Maybe we should have done it for lunch.
Sorry,
Then we would
Brooklyn.
have had to bathe her all before she went to the
She
Or maybe
was
we should have done it
happy.
at the
She was
beach.
very happy when you brought the cake out. She was just all smiles.
You want to see the butterfly cake?
She was trying to get her hands in
Look at the butterfly cake.
flame.
Really? You want to blow it out? Maybe if I make it smaller. That's right. Can you blow it out? You can do it.
Bill?
Here, see?
Happy birthday, Brooklyn. Blow out your candle. 1 year old. Cute.
Yay!
Yay, Brooklyn.
You don't want any more? You want mommy to feed you? Look. Want some? You want some? Don't make me eat that. I like it. It's brown. Look, it's yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Try it. Just try it. I don't think she's even tried it. Will you try it? Come on. One bite. One bite. Come on, one bite. One bite. Last bite, last bite.
Yeah, I don't want to be one.
Brooklyn. Last bite, last bite.
She has